Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to opening this Sculpt and Paint unicorn. But before we start the video, guess what? I'm in Italy. I'm in vacation. So like you see, I'm in a totally different place like I do. Because in Japan, I do it in a different place. But we have a new house. And I mean, not a new house, it's my grandparents' house. So it's not the same as my Japan house. So let's just start the video. Let's go! So let's start the opening it. I don't really know how to open it. Oh, there's a tape. Let's take them.
One eternity later.
Okay, so finally I opened it. My dad helped me for this time because it was too difficult. So let's open. Whoa. We're gonna paint. We're gonna make a unicorn. We got this. And we also got this clay. And we also got another clay. And nothing else. I just love this box. Bye. Let's open this. Okay, it was so difficult, so I asked my dad, and we also need water, plastic cup, paper towels, plastic knife. Okay, but the knife is very dangerous, so ask your parents. So yeah. So first I'm gonna make this circle with head. They have two clays, so I'm gonna use this first one for the first one. Let me get out of the way. Get out. The instructions said that one whole clay for the body and head. The body is bigger than the head, so let me just take clay out. Now we're gonna get the other clay that cut the top. Now we need to make, what do we have to make? We need to make the nose. Oh yes. Okay, so the nose is quite small like this. And we also need to share and make the legs. Okay. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay. Now let's see if it's... Okay, it's okay, I guess. Now let's do the leg. Make the horn. It says two things. I don't get the whole thing, so I just do that. Maybe it's too long. Yep, it's too long. This. That. Okay. That's too long also. Okay. Yay. Now we're finished with all the things. So now, but I still have clay, so I'm gonna make the body bigger. Let's just finish it. Those two hands were these, and these were the feet. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, now I'm gonna let it dry because all of them are gonna stick together maybe. So, yeah. See you. I'm sorry, I forgot. We need to do the hair. Ta-da! Look at my hair. Cute, right? After you wash your hand, it's time to pick. It says number 7 to put the accessories, like these accessories, but painting this much better first. So let's go. Let's get this color, and you need to get your brush and your plastic cup and water inside. Okay, so after that, you get your towel. Got 3. Okay, and start painting. So I'm gonna go with the hair first. So okay, this is the kind of the clay. Don't mind that. So first, I'm gonna go for the horn. And the horn, I'm gonna make it orange or yellow. Okay. Now let me do the hair. Now let's do the ears. I'm gonna do the ears red. For the eyes, maybe use a marker or paint. Black paint, because there's no black paint here. Okay, next, let me use the boots pink. Now, maybe just do it. This is how it looks. Okay, so now dry the paint and then put accessories in it. So, dry the paint. Twice. Wait, I forgot. You need to dry this overnight. So, tomorrow you're going to decorate it. So, see you tomorrow.
The next day.
So hello, it's the next day now. I think the unicorn is pretty dry. Well, I think it's not that colored because some are drying off. But it's okay, I guess. Maybe now it's time for decorations. I don't really know how to do this, how to attach it. Maybe use paint. I finally know how to do it. So you need to attach these. And there's this rainbow. You can paint it, so I'm gonna paint it later. So you need to attach it. Okay, so I'm gonna do this unicorn wings. These two. Okay, let's punch. Okay. Now the wing is done. Now I'm going to make the background.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so this is how it really looks. I can't lift it up. It'll break. So now let's just paint this rainbow. This is how it looks. I accidentally painted butterfly. Okay. And then now let's just skip the rainbow part. Oh, let's punch out the clouds.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now this was so difficult. So ask if you wrote this, ask your parents for help because this instructions is so complicated. Yeah, my dad did this, so yeah. Okay, so now let's put the clouds, the big clouds. Where is the other
One eternity later.
Okay, so this was also hard. So yeah. Okay, now it's stuck. Okay. Now these two cuts. What do you think? Okay, I think the cloud's okay now. Now I think these butterflies and the beetle. Okay, so now we have to put the beetles and a butterfly. I thought this was beetles and butterflies separate, but no, it's not. So like this. Okay, yeah. Now let's put the unicorn on top. It's heavy. Yay, it goes on top! Oh yay! It's successful. Okay, let's close the paint. I forgot to close the paint. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to not miss any awesome videos. Bye! See you in the next video. Sorry guys, the eye is missing. I don't have any black paint, so I'm just gonna use one of those to make the art. It's creepy, but it's okay. Okay, let me do like this. Maybe it's gonna be cute. I can't see. Just how? Okay, let me just do dots. Wait. Dot. Okay. Let me just make these holes. Okay, now it's done. Thank you. Sorry for the cutout.